if your WhatsApp account just got banned, then you do this immediately. Once you do this thing immediately, they are going to restore your account. But if you leave it to pass more than 30 minutes, your account is not going to be restored. Once you do this trick immediately that I'm about to show you, is going to work. So this is how to do it.
Alright, so first thing you need to make sure of and you need to notice that when your WhatsApp account gets banned, you need to do this trick immediately after restoring it. You know, they are going to give you a temporarily banned message first, and they are going to tell you to review the number, and then it's going to review typically takes 24 hours and stuff like that, but that review is going to take you 6 hours. And when they review the account, that's when they are going to automatically show you that your account is permanently banned. So when you receive this message, the permanent ban message goes like something like this. Let me try registering an account here. Let's try registering this account now. This account has been permanently banned on WhatsApp. 9035 okay 0909160352659. So you see, this account now has been permanently banned on WhatsApp. So they say this account can no longer use WhatsApp. We click on register number. Now this account cannot work with this trick. This trick cannot work for this WhatsApp. Why? Because this WhatsApp has already spent long time that they did not, what are they calling it, they did not use it, so it's not going to work. So what I need to do is to go on and find a number that just got banned immediately, like within range of 5 minutes of permanent ban. Within me seeing this permanent ban of 5 minutes, that's when I'm going to do this trick. So all I just need to do is to head up to my Play Store. Once you head up to your Play Store, not now, blah blah blah, I'm going to search for WhatsApp application. Once I search for WhatsApp, this is WhatsApp here. Click on WhatsApp and click on here, and you go to the Android support. Once you go to the Android support, this is my email here. You write WhatsApp ban, WhatsApp account ban problem. So now before you send this support message, now go back to the application. Make sure you go back to the application, hold the application like this, then click on app info, then go to storage and cache and clear it, clear cache, I'll be other than cache. So go back to your there's a write-up I'm going to be dropping in the description. Is that write-up that you're going to send? Let me go and find the write-up and paste it again. So write-up, this is the write-up here, copying it and paste it here. So once I'm pasting it for this number, I'm going to write the phone number. So the number goes like this: +234 99160352659. Now note that this trick works only immediately you see that your account just got permanently banned. If it spends more than 5-10 minutes, it's not going to work. Device type, so my device is Google Pixel 7a. So this is it, exactly how it is. You send it for them. Now you wait for like 2 minutes, use another email again and send it for them to make sure of it. Now after 2 minutes, just come back again and clear cache. You will receive an email like this from your WhatsApp, something like this. You see this one that I received here, deal with it later. You see something like this, they are going to send it for you. So once you see something like that, you just go back to the WhatsApp application, don't open it, just hold it again, and then do this thing, clear cache, and come here again and clear the cache. So enter the app again, it might still show you still banned, then clear cache again. The second trick again you can also do again is go to your Chrome and search for, so you go to help center. So once you go to help center, you are going to come to about temporarily banned accounts. Click on it. So once you click on about temporarily banned accounts, scroll down and click on accounts and click on, you are going to see does this answer your question. Then you click on no. Then once something wrong, this solution doesn't work, then write that same thing that will pasted for them. Put your number here, the band number, country and the device type, and submit it for them to here. Once you submit it, they are going to probably release the account for you. So good luck with this trick, and I hope it works out for you.